Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Je Utpati Sthiti Laya Kare Vedo Stuti Uchare Jenaro Masuchidrama Anusama Brahmanda Koti Pare Maya Kad Ravi Shasi Suragano Agnan Lopekshana Eva Ksharadamna Adhipati Shri Swami Narayana Janiyamrutavani to Vahirahi Sakshat Mahima Rupe Jani Brahma Sthiti Aholin Kare Subhavya Aksharapade Sharanagata Nijalpa Jiva Sahuna Shreyartha Tatpara Rahe Kaka Snehal Sindhu Divya Vibhune Hayyo To Vandan Kare Tejanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai Sarve Gunatit Swarupo Ni Jai 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 Pragat Brahma Swarup Kaka Ji Maharaj Maitri Milan Mahotsav Ni Jai 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 Pragat Brahma Swarup Papa Ji Maharaj Shatabdi Parva Mahotsav Ni Jai 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 Pragat Brahma Swarup Kaka Ji Maharaj Shatabdi Parva Mahotsav Ni Jai 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 Pragat Brahma Swarup Hari Prasad Swami Maharaj Atmiya Yuva Mahotsav Ni Jai 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 Pragat Brahma Swarup Jasbhai Sahib Sant Priti Darshan Mahotsav Ni Jai 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 Sadguru Deva Ki Jai 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 आज के आनंद की जय 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 बड़े बड़ा okay I'm sure some of you know more about Kashiram Rana. When we were in Delhi this time, he was there also. And we all know about the certain things that he really helped our Guruji in Delhi in setting up this stamp. Kakaji is, no, the 3rd February Park, I think. And stamp also, right? In stamp also, right? So when we were trying to set up the stamp for Kakaji's memory, Government of India issued the stamps, and he was very instrumental in supporting that, providing the stamp for us. And since then he has been very close in our satsang, and he loved Guruji a lot, you know. Kashiram Rana aje heart attack આવ્યો, he passed away in India. In Surat, they are going to have his cremation ceremony. And I'm sure Guruji and everybody would be coming there too. And from Powai also, you know, people will be going there. And he was very helpful, you know. He had come to America also. And we had joined him, you know, when he came in America also. So setting up this stamp is a very unique landmark, you know, to recognize Kakaji all over India and all over the world, So his seva, his service is very well, respected and recognized by all of us. So we want to just pray for 2 minutes. So God gives, a lot of strength to his soul, and we pray that he comes back maybe in satsang and provides, a lot of other services in the satsang again. But same time, what I was thinking, he was like 74 or so, 75 or 74. And he was very healthy, at that age. But I think we all need to know about our health. And at least after the age of 50, we should always make sure that we do some basic medical tests, One of them is the, treadmill test or, heart test, Because that is the area where sickness does not come slowly and does not stay for long, It just comes very quickly and it just does a lot of damages, So heart is very vital organ in our system, and we want to make sure that we at least do some checking and testing, So those who are over 50, જે 50 વર્ષની ઉંમરથી વધારે ના હોય એણે એટલીસ્ટ પહેલો એક હાર્ટ ટેસ્ટ તો કરાવી દેવો જોઈએ. અને એની અંદર જો કંઈક ઇશ્યુ ને પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે તો પછી વધારે ફ્રિકવન્ટલી કરાવવો જોઈએ. પણ એવું કંઈક આપણા લાઈફની અંદર આપણી તબિયતને માટે we have to learn from this, There are so many other, reports we get about heart also, but I mean, knowing this, Kashiram Rana, he was very healthy, and all of a sudden that happened, Yeah. So we have to be very awakened and alert, So let's do Dhun. And before that, Phalguni Beta, is Dr. Nilamben here or still, or she's back to India?
No, she is coming back in New Jersey, but I don't know when. She was
Okay.
in Canada for 10 days.
Okay, maybe we'll try to call tomorrow, maybe in the morning, on Papaji's birthday. So we will pray for 2 minutes, Also in this prayer we will pray to Papaji and, Kanti Kaka and Ashwin Bhai and Guruji and all this Gunati Swarupo to give us the wisdom and strength. Sajanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai. Om Swami Narayana, 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 Om Swami Narayana. Sajanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai. Today in India it's 1st of September, and in Gunati Jyot they have a nice program going to start at about 10:30 our time, 9 o'clock their time, in the morning. So when we go home, maybe if we have, TV on, we will be able to watch something. And Papaji came with Kakaji. Both brothers, were blessed by Shastriji Maharaj. That Shastriji Maharaj has said that Swaminarayan Bhagavan will send 2 liberated souls to your home, And both had a unique personality, And when Kakaji was starting to go to school, Papaji was studying in Nadiyad. I think we went there, at Kakaji's birthplace, where Kakaji's mother and her father, they were all living in Nadiyad. But Kakaji's father was living in Borsad and Anand, that area. So Kakaji was kept with his father, Dr. Nathabai, because one son was in Nadiyad, so they would have one son with him. So then he was starting to go to school, and he was so mischievous that he did not want to go to school. And they had servants, So the servant will try to take him, and he would override that servant, And he will not go, And he would hide and this and that, But when they decided that, okay, we will take him to Nadiyad with his brother and see whether he goes to school there. And when he was taken there, he was very obedient. He would hold his brother's, Papaji's hand, and they would go to walk to school. And on the road, he would be very straightforward, Except when he goes to school now, in the class, again he would be mischievous, He would take away somebody's pencil, somebody's paper, or somebody's, bag and things like that, And he would be always playing mischiefs, But the point is, that Kakaji was always very sincere and obedient with Papaji, So both brothers, they were unique in our life, Kakaji came in my life through my wife, and because of Kakaji, Papaji came in life, and he came on a special ceremony, our daughter's marriage, which was held here in Itasca temple. And he came here on both sides, because Vimal Kumar's side, he is the great-grandfather, And from our side, he came on the satsang basis, And he had brought 3 suits, and he was so much happy and excited, So that really makes us feel that he was very close to us in our life, There were so many other times, he had come and stayed in Waukegan. He had accepted sickness one time, and his program was all postponed, and he stayed at Waukegan for about a month, I guess, right? Ek mahina jitlo, to recover, from the sickness, And we were all very lucky, to have his company there. And his sincerity and his divine, blessings and grace was very, unique, In our Swaminarayan Satsang, that in the time of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, the women movement were not there, Women were not recognized, Even in this country, for long time, the voting rights of women and all those things were not given, They were considered, not equal, to men, And even today, in these Muslim countries, they still have issues, and challenges, So this has been a thing going on. But Swaminarayan Bhagavan started that program, giving discourses to them and educating them and all these things. And we know about Laduba and Jivuba and all those ladies, they had dedicated their lives, And this process continued, but it was still not there. And even Gunaditanand Swami and Swaminarayan Bhagavan in their talk said that, to become Brahmrup, it was not for women, It will be only for the men to become Brahmrup. But time changed, and we are in this centenary where women are not equally to men, but they are even higher than some places at men, I was just counting today, that up to the highest man in our abbot, there are seven levels. I am on the 7th level, And then I was checking for Kalpesh Bhai, 7th level. Niket Bhai, 7th level. Everyone else somehow falling level 7, And I said, well, that is really interesting, But in my 7th level, my boss is female. Very nice person. Karanda is her name, Mela. Her boss, which is my boss's boss, is female. Her boss's boss is female. So 3 level, we have management with ladies, So, same way, the count of 7 is, Kakaji came also 7 times in this country, Not only that, but starting from Swaminarayan Bhagavan, number 1, Gunatitanand Swami, number 2, Bhagatji Maharaj, number 3, Shastriji Maharaj, number 4, Yogiji Maharaj, number 5, Kakaji, number 6, and we are again in level 7. So everywhere, it's matching level 7. But what Kakaji and Pappaji came here to do this mission, to really uplift the spirituality in women, is unique and unparalleled, Yogiji Maharaj helped and provided that support, which made a big difference, By the blessings, we are all enjoying that, And today, we have Lina Ben and Melanie and Tejal Ben, they spoke about this. Can you imagine, even 50 years ago, they would have a chance? Then about 100 and 200 years ago, right? Not a chance, right? But here they have their expressions, their feelings, their happiness about in this satsang, This is all valuable. And I have made an observation, that whenever there is a religious activity, there are more ladies in count than men. Even if you count right now, you have more ladies maybe, than men, I don't know how they end up here. I don't know why they are enjoying here, but they are enjoying, But this is really, Not only that, but when we do Aarti, we take 90% of our Aarti time, But the last 10% of their Aarti time, they get together, They come in the group and they enjoy in a harmonious group way, that they take Aarti together, This is something we have to really respect and honor, that they have more oneness and uniqueness, And then they have things to work at also, It's not that all there, because nature has given them certain genes, certain nature and quality, that sometimes it becomes harder, One of them is jealousy, And sometimes the subtle jealousy is very hard to recognize, Today I was talking to one devotee, and she had complained and complained and complained about her husband, And I said, okay, let's do dhun, We just did dhun for about half an hour maybe, And now then she says, yeah, I feel very good now. I said, okay, let's do dhun then, But that jealousy part is very subtle, And all her complaints were, that she was better than him, And I said, yeah, but I can see a subtle jealousy going on, there, So work at that, And if I pray for him, what are you benefiting, You should come to us for praying for you, that whatever I have as a problem, it should be resolved, But very rarely people come with that, People always come with somebody else's complaint, And that's okay, We know how to fix, We will always, make them come on the right path, But the bottom line is, that in Gunati Jyot, all these 400 plus, all Beno, they are living in harmony, they are living together. And I'm not saying that they would not have any issues or problem, But at least they are using the master techniques to resolve, આપણને જ્યારે ભાઈ કંઈક તકલીફ પડે ત્યારે આપણે ધૂન ભજન પ્રાર્થનાનો જો ટેકો લઈએ તો આપણું કામ થાય અને પપ્પાજીએ શીખવાડ્યું in Gunati Jyot, they have a habit every 3 minutes or so they would, or every 15 minutes I think, they would have 3 minutes of dhun, 3 minutes of prayer, And once you create that habit, then it becomes part of you, And you have a choice that if you are not going to engage your mind in dhun or positive discourse, your mind is going to find negative things, And that's what Linaben started out with statement, કે ગપ્પા મારવા હોય તો ઘણો time નીકળી જાય, Yeah. When we have to gossip, we can go on and on, but we don't gain anything, So our gossip has to be converted into Godship, and remember and chant and pray and everything, So that is the key Papaji taught, And Papaji's slogans, are very powerful, So we want to pray to Papaji so that he gives us that kind of strength. Kanti Kaka also, we have been, reading every day in our morning sabha. And Kanti Kaka has been very unique. He had undomitable faith, in Shastriji Maharaj, And he had very close oneness with Kakaji, All these actions that whoever would do, he would always focus to please Kakaji, If somebody is misbehaving, he would try to bring him back so that Kakaji will be happy, So his all actions are to please Kakaji, and that is very great, I have been with Kanti Kaka, I had opportunities, and then even late night, like 2 o'clock, he would be driving the car, and not feeling asleep, He had diabetes, he had other, health issues, but that was miracle, that he would just be very alert when he was driving, late nights also. Same way Ashwin Bhai, when he comes to this sabha, in 2 minutes, he would be in another lok. But when he is on the steering wheel on the car, he would go to pick up everybody at the airport, odd hours and everything, and he would never get tired, So that is Kanti Kaka, And Girish uncle also said very nice things about Kanti Kaka, And we are all very happy about his birthday 2 days ago on 29th. And we pray to Kanti Kaka that he gives us that kind of, maturity and understanding. And then we have Nishkam Jivan Swami, Guruji. Guruji is also very clear talker, And he would say whatever he thinks, is in his heart, in his mind, So somebody was telling today in this Parayana, that Vajubhai, who went to South India to find the all this arrangement for the trip in November. We are going to go from Baba, I don't know how many, about over 200? 108? About 108 devotees, and it will grow, I'm sure, But he was saying, Vajubhai, that he is straightforward, then Guruji is straightforward, and third person he mentioned, that is straightforward, Vasibhai maybe, But anyhow, Guruji is very, obedient and very close to Akshar Vihari Swamiji in his seva. And like Girish uncle said that, by the blessings of Yogi Bapa, he had become sadhu, And he is from which town? Manavadar, right? Eh? Right, very close to Manavadar, right. I knew it was a little bit away from Manavadar, but right. But he has been with Akshar Vihari Swamiji. He has come to America also, And he has a very soft, humble tone, and always, likes to, think all positive things, And then Ashwin Bhai, his birthday. And Ashwin Bhai is also very dedicated in our satsang, And in Girish Bhai's family, Ashwin Bhai has started, to join in satsang as sadhak. And now our Pintu Bhai has started, So it has become a nice trend, So we all pray to Ashwin Bhai, for his good health and lot of seva in our satsang, So we will try to communicate with Nilam Ben, tomorrow, maybe on Papaji's birthday, to get the blessings, There was something else I was going to bring up. Maybe tomorrow. So anybody else has anything to say about Papaji or Kanti Kaka or anybody, on their birthday, prayer or anything? કોઈ ને કંઈ કહેવું છે? કાંતિ કાકાના કે કાકાજી પપ્પાજીના કે એમના નિમિત્તે? હા આવો.